This tutorial will introduce the interface of emails in reMARK. In the top, the toolbar is located. This is where you choose and use specific functions. The toolbar is sectioned in different tabs. Just below the toolbar, you find the tab menu. Click on the plus to create new tabs of content, such as email, contacts, calendar, mailing lists, rules, and search. Underneath, you see the actual content divided into 4 sections. From the left, you see folders, then the email list, the chosen email, and team overview. In folders, you can navigate through your email folders. Add your favorites to the section in the bottom of the list for easy access. Here, you can also tab to last used. When clicking on a folder, the content will open in the email list. Tab an email to view and read. On the right side, you find Team Overview and Comments. Team Overview shows you relevant actions carried out on that specific email. Comments allows you to comment to the email and view other team members' comments to the email. And there we have it, a quick overview of reMARK. Subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.